Hello everyone, this is Tom with Tom's Trains and Accessories. Today's featured item is the post-war number 182 remote control magnetic crane. This was produced in 1946 until 1950. This is a wonderful accessory. It has a tremendous amount of play value. And it has a lot of special meaning for me too, because this was given to me from an uncle of mine about 50 years or so ago. And this was his when he got it brand new back in 1946. It's in excellent shape. It's fully functional, and it's a lot of fun. It came with the 160 bin that you see here. It came with a bag of these steel blanks, number 182-22. Very hard to come by. And it also has what's called the Cuttler Hammer magnet. Right here, they actually have the name inscribed on it, Cuttler Hammer. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's there. Now the magnet, it's energized with the controller, which is right here. There's only a few variations of this crane, and it really deals with the controller. The early versions like this one you see here have the black buttons. The most common type that are out there you see are with the red buttons and also with the green buttons. To operate the crane, you have the button here for left, right, up and down, and this energizes the magnet. And when you turn this knob inside the cab, the red light illuminates to let you know it's energized. Now, you should not keep it on too long because that bulb inside there can heat up and melt and warp the top of the crane. This one is in perfect shape. It hasn't been warped or melted. I will probably replace it with an LED, but for demonstration purposes, I'd just like to show you. So now I just turn the magnet off. Now I'm going to show you how it operates. This is the left button I'm pressing right here. Now the right button. I'll center it over the steel blanks. Then you have the up and down buttons right here. This is up and this is down, so we'll go down with it first. Turn the magnet on. Now we'll raise it up. And you just turn it off and it releases them. Now they can get very messy, as you plainly see. So if you want, what you can do is you can take some cars, gondolas, fill with track pieces, wheels, anything that's magnetic, steel rails, and you can dump them in those cars, pick them up and move them around. And I'll show you that in just a minute. Okay, I centered the magnetic crane over the gondola, and I'm going to lower the magnet down to the piece of rail, and we'll pick it up and we'll move it. Here we go. Energize it. Pick it up. wheels and axles, or even ties. Ties are great. Other things you can pick up if you have a Culvert car, number 6342, you can actually pick up the culverts that you would use with the culvert loader and unloader. Just line it up here, lower it down. Let's see, we'll center it a little bit better. Energize it. How great is this accessory? You can even raise or lower the boom, but it's done manually with this handle back here. You'll see it goes up. Want to raise it up to position it better, or you can lower it down. Like so. This is a wonderful accessory. Tremendous amount of play value, that's for sure. Comes with a red ladder on the side. And I actually use this cab on a 2460 crane too. As a matter of fact, you'll see on the right-hand side, there's a cutout for the side handle right there. That would be for the 2460 crane, and other cranes too as well. But this one, it came with a clear plastic smokestack painted gray, as you see here. This is all original. The only thing I had to do was rewire the controller because the wire went brittle, but that's neither here nor there. Other than that, everything is in place. Great accessories, a lot of fun. I hope to have it for many more years. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, and you want to ask me a question, feel free. Or if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, share, all that good stuff. Until next time, take care. Bye for now.